This one's called privacy notice and consent. So there's one thing I have to mention to you. This part, you see two ABC, right? So sometimes we want to make privacy of our client information for multiple listing. So the client has to initial the boxes on the right side in order for them to be privacy, like hide their name after the transaction is done. Okay, so you have to get the client check off opt out here, opt out initial on C and D. So if you read A and B, you'll find that A and B does not allow any realtor to contact them. But C and D means, other realtor cannot contact this client. So let's go down here. You put client's name, for example, ABC, and then the date. So remember one thing, all these disclosures must be dated on the same day or before the agreement. For example, listing agreement or the CPS agreement, okay? Because you have to make all disclosures before agent enter into any agreement with client. Let's use today's date. And then this is for second client. And for realtor, I put Charles, PREC. That means I have a corporation. And for brokerage, let's put Lexmore Realty. Pretty simple, right?